Good day, everyone. Welcome back. By the way, so if you are new on this our channel, please do not forget to subscribe before you go. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to comment. And do not forget to share. Above all, do not forget to subscribe. I need you to subscribe. Click on the notification bell icon. So on this our channel, we analyze our forex market, our stocks market. So if you are interested in any of our analysis, please do not forget to subscribe. Now let's quickly do a quick analysis on our JPY PS, any PS relating to our JPY. So the first currency pair, what we'll be looking at is our pound index. As we can see on our daily time frame, definitely we had this massive pull down on our pound. By the way, our pound has given us that massive pull down. Now we add a retracement, right? We had a massive pull down, we had a retracement, push up. Definitely, what are we looking for? A very continuous massive put down on our pound JPY. But before on our pound, sorry, by the way, but before that, I think we should have a little bit of movement upward, a little bit of movement. That is what I am looking for, at least around this our area here. A little bit, at least that should be at least 40 pips, a little bit of push up, by the way, before we actually now see that continue bearish move downward. At least we should go down and hit this our area here. At least that's what we should be able to aim for this week. A little bit of push up before we actually see that fall. So our pound is actually, we are going to be going bullish. We are going to be falling very, very well this week on our pound, and our pound index is actually showing it. So now let's go to our first currency pair we have now is our euro pound. One thing that I want you to know, that our euro too is actually falling massively. So we should be seeing that effect on our euro pound. Definitely we should be able to see that euro fall on this our area down here before we actually now see that bullish move on our euro. But I would advise that you should actually stay away from euro pound, because our euro is falling. Likewise, our pound is also falling. So definitely it will be very difficult for us to actually grab a lot of piece, and there might be a lot of taking out of stop loss this week. So that is why I advise stay away from euro pound. So what we should be seeing, at least seeing our movement for this week, is our euro comes down, then we actually see that bullish move. So now our next pair we have is our pound, by the way. So our pound, we should actually be seeing that push up, by the way. Since our odd is actually bearish, our pound should actually be bullish, by the way. That when I say that we are going to see at least a push up on our pound, this is what I'm aiming for, a little bit of push up before we actually see that put down. As we can see, our price actually be falling. Definitely when our price pushes up, we should be seeing that rejection here, whereby we see price has reacted to this our area here. So definitely we will be seeing that reaction around this our area here, then continue downward on our pound odd. That's exactly what I am aiming for on our 4-hour time frame. We can see that bullish move upward. We can see that our price is failing, giving us that little bit of movement. That is indicating that our movement upward is actually getting weaker and weaker and weaker, and it wants to show a reversal move downward. So you should be very, very careful for that move. Now our next pair we have is our pound New Zealand. Definitely we should be seeing, now that we have actually seen that retracement, we should be aiming for that fall on our pound New Zealand. New Zealand dollar. We have to mark this our area here where price has reacted to this our area here, reacted to this our area here, right? Reacted to this our area here. Now you see that our price actually failing to break above here. So when our price fails to break above, definitely we should actually see that push down. At least probably if we see that push down to this our area here, then we should be able to opt out of our trade around this our area here. Then we can continue going down. But first of all, let's be able to opt out of our trade here. That should be able to give us at least down good amount of piece for us to be able to grab this week. So definitely our pound should push up a little bit, then we actually see that fall we are aiming for on our pound New Zealand. Our pound New Zealand, we should actually be seeing that fall. Our next currency pair is our pound CAD. One thing I know about our CAD is that our CAD wants to push up against our JPY, because I've done an analysis on it, that our CAD wants to push up while our JPY will push down. Right now we should be seeing the effect. Since our pound is actually going down here, definitely our CAD will actually be pushing up. So above all, my analysis is that my pound should actually be falling against my CAD. So we actually see that push down, retracement, push down, retracement. Now we see this retracement, right? Now the next one we should be aiming for this week is about that 4 on our pound card. On our 4 hour time frame, you can see that the price is actually failing. It's giving us difficulty in breaking above this our area here. So don't forget, definitely we are aiming for a sell on my pound card. So let's at least probably wait if our price will be able to push up, and then we'll actually see that 4 we are aiming for on our pound card. Our next pair we have is our pound Swiss franc. And that our Swiss franc, what I know about our Swiss franc is actually falling, and probably we might see that reversal move on our Swiss franc this week, whereby our Swiss franc will actually be going bullish. But above all, let's see if our price will be able to push up a little bit on our pound Swiss franc. Then you actually see that huge massive fall we are waiting for on our pound Swiss franc. Let's see if our price will be able to push up, hit this our liquidity area here before you actually see that fall. And if possibly it does not pushes up, definitely we will be getting that fall around this our area here. That is for our pound Swiss franc. On our 4 hour time frame is actually showing us that our price will so actually start pushing down, so we should aim for it. And possibly if you can aim down straight, then we can actually aim to this our area here. At least we should be able to end this area here and opt out of our trade, taking out a good amount of profit for this week, by the way. So thank you very much. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Goodbye.